For the last year and a half, we have towed this camper all over the southeastern part of the United States with a 2019 Toyota Tacoma. We could not ask for a better tow vehicle. It's got decent gas mileage. We can fit all 5 of us in there, including the dog, and it gets us from A to B. The only downside to this Tacoma is that the fact that the rear leaf springs are really soft, so when we have a fully loaded camper and a fully loaded truck, it tends to sag quite a bit. So to combat the sagging, we are installing a Timbren SES suspension. We purchased it off of Amazon for $260, and let's get this thing installed and see how it goes. Decent amount of gap. Then once we put a trailer on it, squat thing, it's supposed to do that, and you can see where it hits. Alright, so after getting everything prepped, the SES thing put together, now it's time to take off the wheel. Move the tire. I got my sprinkler bar with my 20mm. Get it on there. Right. It should literally be as easy as lifting up, removing this, coming under here, centering, back down. I mean, look at the difference. Look at the difference. Oh yeah. Alright, so Timbren SES bump stops have been installed. We're about to go check out the ride. I do think it's going to be really stiff because it's touching, but we're about to find out. Yeah, I've driven most of these roads before, so I already know what they feel like. Oh yeah, much stiffer. But the good part is we don't do much off-roading in this thing like you would think we would, so it's not going to be as bad. I just need that support for the camper. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That butt end is super stiff. Let's go try this. Let's go over here. What is it, bub? You're fine. You're fine. I know it feels weird. It's real stiff compared to what it used to be. But it still has some give. Still has some, you know, flex, whatever you want to call it. It's got a little bit of cushion, but not as much as it was. But I won't sag when we hit the camper or when the truck's fully loaded down. So that's the important part.